Hey guys!
What's up? It's Reba.
And AJ.
And today we are going to do a challenge.
That we blindfold people and then we have to guess what we're being fed.
Yes.
I think.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
And that was requested by one of our friends, Taryn.
Yes.
So enjoy.
So we have a blindfold for the people we blindfold and a spoon for what we feed them.
Let's get started.
Scared. I'm trying to get this on right.
Okay, are you ready?
No.
AJ, come on. Ready for the big reveal?
Take it off.
Okay, what does it taste like?
Salt. Until I get it off. Tastes like butter.
Tastes like butter?
Okay, can you take
Salty
it off?
butter?
Yes.
Okay.
Take my blindfold off.
Butter garlic flavor, Little Caesars.
Ugh.
You made a big mess. Hurry up, I can't see.
Okay, guys, let's get started with Reba.
Oh, okay, come on. I'm really nervous about that.
Okay, guys, I'm putting this in the spoon. I don't know how it's gonna work though. Okay. Ready? Oh, drippy. Open
Oh my God, no. I'm so scared.
Okay, it's really drippy, so I was. You like that?
Is that creamer?
Yeah. I found it. I'm like, hey.
Hey. Delicious.
Oh, I'm scared. That's definitely jelly.
Okay, take a little bite. Or just a big bite. I'm just going to shove it in your mouth.
No, just a little.
Ready? Open up your mouth.
It is.
No, open!
Peach.
Okay, open. What do you think it is?
Peach.
Pears.
Same thing.
I love pears. If you don't mind, I'm going to chow down.
Okay, guys, this is what I'm going to give her. What is the one? I'll tell you guys after the video.
Okay, it's in a jar. Oh my God, I can't do it. I can't do it.
You really like it.
Am I? What are you doing? What are you scooping?
It's hard.
What?
I'm not a good scooper. Ready?
Oh, no, I'm so scared.
It's good.
Is that corn juice?
Yes. I'm funny.
You fed me corn juice?
You can't see it.
Oh!
I bet your corn juice. I don't know what it tastes like.
It tastes like corn, but juicy. Like juice. It wasn't the best, let's just say. This is for AJ.
I'm scared.
Open up. What? What do you think it is?
Half off.
No.
Tomato juice.
No.
I don't know. It's terrible. Oh, mustard.
How do you not like mustard?
I hate mustard.
That's so weird. You're a weird
I think that
child.
was spicy.
Right.
Okay, guys, this is our last one, and she gets.
Oh God. Is
Okay.
it jelly?
No. Jelly's nasty.
Oh, I'm really scared. I think that's jelly. I'm really scared. That's jelly.
No, it's not. It's syrup.
Syrup?
No.
Oh gosh.
Thick.
It's jelly, right? Please be jelly.
It's jelly.
Oh.
I don't like jelly plain though. I like
It's jelly.
Yeah, I like jelly, but I can't eat it like
It's
right.
okay. I knew it was jelly. But then when I felt the texture, I'm like, ugh. But, anyways, it's
Yeah.
jelly. And I like jelly.
So let's,
Anyways, thank you for watching this video
this is
of
the end.
eating food.
It's nasty.
And for our shout outs.
Oh, I do them?
Yeah.
Okay, first one goes to Carrie
Worth.
Worth. Go
One of our subscribers.
subscribe to him. And then the
Well, he
second,
doesn't have any videos, so I wouldn't.
yeah, but yeah, and then the second one's Lane Tree.
I don't think he has videos either, but he does have people that he's subscribed to. So, go ahead, subscribe to those people if you want to.
Yeah.
Not forcing you. But shout out to those guys.
Don't forget to subscribe to us.
And comment down below, who do you like more? Reba
Me.
or AJ?
Whose
Okay.
name do you like better?
Ariana Jones or Reba? Alright, peace out.
Bye.